Understanding, calling it a night, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, calling it a night. This expression is used frequently in both casual and formal conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage can significantly boost your English fluency. So, let's get started and explore what it means to call it a night. Calling it a night is an idiomatic expression used when someone decides to end an activity or stop what they are doing for the rest of the evening. Essentially, it means that a person has decided to conclude their activities and possibly go to sleep, or simply rest. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from social gatherings to personal decisions after a long day of work. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. After a long evening of studying, you might say, "I'm exhausted." I think I'm calling it a night, indicating you're going to stop studying and perhaps go to bed. 2. At a party, as guests start to leave, the host might announce, "Thank you for coming." I'm calling it a night, signaling the end of the party. 3. During a work project late at night, a team member might suggest, "We've made good progress. Let's call it a night and continue tomorrow." In each of these situations, the phrase communicates the idea of ending activities for the evening. While calling it a night generally involves ending activities to rest, it's important to note the social and cultural nuances. For instance, in a work context, suggesting to call it a night might show consideration for others' time and well-being. In social settings, it can be a polite way to signal the end of an event without being abrupt. Understanding and using phrases like calling it a night can make your English communication more natural and effective. It's a useful expression for signaling the end of activities and showing consideration for rest and personal time. We hope this video has been helpful in expanding your English vocabulary and cultural understanding. Don't forget to practice using it in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.